Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. The CTO of Ripple has once again disproved of claims that the company invented XRP. In addition, a senior American banker has recognized Ripple for its role in the development of digital currencies issued by central banks. Does what's happening now mean that the Ripple litigation will wind down eventually? Read on to the conclusion for more information. This is arguably the most significant financial event of the year. Money 2020. Ripple now officially supports Europe. This was confirmed by the company this week via their official Twitter account. It's worth noting that Ripple's official announcement follows a report claiming the company is looking for funding for the initiative. A high-ranking official has stated that this is the last day of the event. Investors, entrepreneurs, and industry leaders were among the almost 8,000 attendees. Since Ripple is the event's sponsor, attendees will likely have the opportunity to meet with business reps. At both a 150 and consensus, Ripple will showcase its cutting-edge solutions, illuminating the transformative potential of blockchain technology to transform the financial services industry. In order to broaden the application of blockchain technology, Ripple has maintained its backing for a number of initiatives. This group underwrote CM University's blockchain conference. More than 1,000 projects at 45 universities have received financing from Ripple's University Blockchain Research Initiative, as of March reports. Supporting Money 20/20 Europe is simply the most recent item on a long list of initiatives that also covers cryptocurrency payments, insurance, and traditional banking systems. Everyone who shows up will have a thrilling time. If you want to be among the first to know about any XRP-related updates, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. An anonymous on-chain investigator known as Scam Detective recently exchanged angry words with Ripple's CTO David Schwartz over the question of where XRP came from. Schwartz aimed to disprove claims that Ripple, the firm behind XRP, invented the XRP-based NFT community. The SEC failed to take into account the fact that XRP originated before Ripple did. In response, Scam Detective allegedly claimed that in December 2012, Ripple manufactured XRP by changing the code he used to reset the XRP ledger, as detailed in a recent tweet by Spectre. He implied that the code reset resulted in the creation of XRP as a new currency. In response, Schwartz claimed that the reasoning behind the opposing view was illogical. Like Bitcoin Cash, he said, it would soon be in demand even after its creator had no hand in its distribution. While discussing the Schwartz scam, however, the investigator questioned whether or not Ripple's resources were utilized in the introduction of XRP. Schwartz responded by asking questions regarding potential changes to the system's policies and processes. He questioned whether or not such changes will result in new versions of existing assets by utilizing Ethereum's transition to proof of stake. The Ripple CTO gave as an example the history behind the creation of XRP. He made it clear that old accounting practices had been abandoned in favor of new ones after XRP was introduced. Schwartz elaborated on the distinction by noting that whatever Bitcoin fork had won wouldn't have been seen as the birth of Bitcoin or the birth of a new currency. Schwartz defends himself by saying that XRP existed before Ripple. Considering the asset's history, this makes sense. David Schwartz developed the XRP ledger. This was in 2011 with Arthur Brito and Jed McCaleb. The appeal's native token is XRP, which was released in June of 2012. 3 months after Schwartz, Brito, and McCaleb founded New Currency, they were joined by Chris Larson. The company has since changed its name to OpenCoin and Ripple Labs. The remaining 80% of XRP was then donated to the company and placed in escrow by the founders. Ripple's efforts to provide mechanisms for dozens of digital currencies to collaborate have also been highlighted by American Banker, a Manhattan-based trade newspaper that focuses on the financial services sector. Yesterday's issue of American Banker reported that Ripple had just made public its CBDC platform. Ripple's CBDC platform makes it possible for governments, financial institutions, and central banks to issue their own national stablecoins and digital currencies. An American banker remarked that Ripple is dedicated to developing CBDCs for a wide range of global financial institutions, having effectively eliminated barriers to international fund transfers utilizing its blockchain technology. The research highlighted how Ripple is already utilizing the distributed ledger technology that powers the XRP token to facilitate cross-border e-commerce payments. Ripple is attempting to make many digital currencies function together by using the CBDC framework, which was just published. Banker in the USA claims Ripple's CBDC platform was developed to address the problems encountered by businesses and consumers while using digital currency. Features crucial for currency minting, distribution, redemption, and destruction. The package contains the aforementioned and more. Ripple, a blockchain company based in Silicon Valley, will put interoperability at the forefront of its approach to wholesale and retail use cases. CBDCs. According to Joe Villano, Ripple's head of business development for CBDCs, wholesale CBDCs are designed for financial institutions who routinely make sizable international wire transactions. According to Villano, the CBDC platform has just taken over where the RippleNet platform left off. RippleNet is now a global payments platform with features like instantaneous settlement, credit lines, and liquidity that are unique to cryptocurrencies. The CBDC system was developed on top of this foundation. Ripple has emerged as a key player in the international money transfer market. Namcorp's Low Money Watch is just one example of a prominent financial institution that has adopted Ripple's payment solution for international transactions. And so on. Triangle's utilization of Ripple's on-demand liquidity service to process over $1 billion in transactions is encouraging, as was announced last month. One of Ripple's longest-standing and most visible auto partners is Tranquilo. Additionally, Ripple and a wide variety of national banks have worked together on CBDC pilot schemes. Among these are the apex banks of Montenegro, the Kingdom of Bhutan, and the Republic of Palau. The most pressing problem right now is it final in the Ripple case? If you want to be among the first to know about any XRP-related updates, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. The SEC's decision to pursue criminal charges against Binance and Coinbase, the world's two largest cryptocurrency exchanges, has been the focus of much discussion among cryptocurrency industry experts. It's worth noting that the SEC filed complaints against Binance and Coinbase in less than 24 hours, alleging that they violated federal securities law by facilitating the trading of cryptocurrency assets classified as securities. Cryptocurrency supporters have expressed their opinions on the matter. Top Bitcoin experts have tweeted that the SEC's attack on the two largest cryptocurrency exchanges is related to the Commission's case against Desert Capital founder Yasin Mubarak and the California-based software business Ripple. Some have seen this as evidence that regulators are panicked about losing the potential Ripple lawsuit. He warned that a precedent may be created against the SEC if it were to lose the Ripple case. Mubarak asserts that the SEC is expediting its primary campaign against Ripple by filing litigation against Binance and Coinbase. The SEC can argue that the ruling against them is unique to the XRP case and not representative of the industry as a whole. Zach Richter, a well-known Bitcoin journalist, recently predicted that the SEC and Ripple will settle their dispute. Richter withheld more details about the potential compromise. However, he said that 1 hour after Coinbase had been formally sued by the SEC. The recent assault on markets by the SEC. A crypto enthusiast who only goes under an alias claims that Baba indicates that the Ripple dispute has been settled. The crypto enthusiast argued that the SEC wouldn't have sued Binance and Coinbase if its case against Ripple hadn't been resolved. In light of this new information, XRP community member Ashley Prosper stated that the SEC's decision to pursue Binance and Coinbase does not mean that Ripple lost at summary judgment. He stressed that the regulator would have sued the exchanges regardless of the outcome of the Ripple action. Prosper further claims that the SEC would have referenced this ruling in its legal actions against Binance and Coinbase. If the Commission has already won a summary decision before Judge Annalisa Torres, In my opinion, the SEC needs to move quickly to get a win for Gary Gensler before 2024 now that the Ripple case has been resolved. I guess the wind is waving us off, Prosper said. You shouldn't worry about Binance or Coinbase. Note that Judge Torres has not yet ruled on the motion for summary judgment in the Ripple litigation. However, before Judge Torres issues a ruling, the decision could be made at any time. Several proponents of XRP believe a compromise may be reached between the two sides. The video is now over, gentlemen. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you have fun reading it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you later, bye.